Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click here on more down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on log it in with Google here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on log out here. When you just click on log out, so then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your Tappytoon app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.